If you're worried about how to grow your YouTube, Instagram, or any other social media platform because you need to create more than 2 or 3 videos a day, don't worry, I can tell you how to create short videos in bulk in just a few minutes using Canva or ChatGPT. Let's get started. Open Canva, go to the search option, and search for YouTube Shorts. Press enter, and then click on Create a blank YouTube short. Bingo! You will get a scratch whiteboard size short video template. Go to ChatGPT now, and after that, I will write AI facts in table format. After that, you will get the results of AI facts in table format. I will write this prompt, and now it will give me these very good results. Now, listen carefully, when you edit Reels, use only these names like fact number or fact while editing. I will show you how. Now, we are in Canva. Search for background, and I will find a good background. I think this background is good. Go to Edit Video and change filters to your own desire. Now, go to Text and click on Add a heading. Remember, as I told you before, only use the titles that ChatGPT provided. For example, fact number, this is our first title. Okay, guys? Now, go to Effects and add this background to the text, guys. Now, change the background color to blue. After that, change the text font exactly like that. Now, duplicate the text and set it in the middle of the video exactly under the first text. We will edit this text with facts because our second title is facts. I will remove its background from the effect and give it an outline effect. Change the underline color to black. Now I will adjust it a little bit more. Back to ChatGPT, now copy AI facts. Now, back to Canva, go to the Apps option, and you will see an option named Bulk and Create. Click on it and now watch carefully, click on Enter Data, manually paste here what we copied. Click on Done. Now, click on Fact Number and connect fact number with it exactly like that. Now, click on Facts and connect it with facts. When you're done with it, click on Continues, and then click on Generate. And bingo! You have a lot of short videos in bulk with different topics on how you can create short videos in bulk. Now, click on the Share button and download it. Check the option Download with separated files. For this entire process I showed you, you need Canva Pro, so don't worry. These are the results. If you liked my video, then like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you.